make some gloss with me. So I see this girl on TikTok always saying make some gloss with me. So yeah, I am saying make some gloss with me. Make some gloss with me. So yes, I'm going to be making this very pink lip gloss today. So the first of all, I'm going to be adding in my facial gel, my lip gloss base, into a plastic. Yes, I'm going to add them into a plastic. So I'll be mixing these to get the enough. And the pack is 50 ml, so I'm going to use all the 50 ml into the. I'm going to add it into the bowl. So I'll be mixing these together. You have to mix it together. So yes, yeah, I am mixing the lip gloss together. I really do not know so much stuff about this, but the thing is, I saw this lip gloss and I wonder about a lot of things. So yeah, I added in my sunflower oil. I added in, yes, I really like using sunflower oil for my lip gloss, but because I believe, and the research says, sunflower oil has many benefits to the lips. And when I use this lip gloss, I do see the results on my lips, cause lip gloss does not brighten, does not make your lips soft, and this lip gloss is making my lips soft. I'm so sorry about that, because I really like the works of it, so I'm really happy with it. So I added in my what's it called, flavor oil. I added my flavor oil here, so I've mixed them together. I added my vitamin E oil also. I've added in my vitamin E. So yes, that's the pink powder, the pink powder that I added to it. So I'm going to mix them together. And so this is the end look after making. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love, gang. I don't know how those guys say it. So thank you so much for clicking on this video. That's